What's up guys, today we're back with another video with Lux.
Yeah, let's go.
We will be playing Don't Press the Button for
There's a bomb.
Jinx.
Double jinx. Triple jinx.
Okay, that's enough, I'm not continuing saying jinx.
Anyways, don't mind that explosion and let's get into the video.
Reach the top. That sounds easy.
Don't underestimate it. You might die.
Okay, whatever luxation. Let's go win this.
How the heck? There is no fuck.
I'm going to make it. No, it restarted. What was that? I just fell out of the map. Is this a battle royale? I got a kill. Oh, what the hell?
I'm winning for sure.
Why you actually won?
Oh yeah, you suck and I win.
Why are we so tiny?
I have no idea.
I'm just going to drop money. We're so slippery. I pressed the button. Jump. Oh, you guys died from not jumping.
It's a good thing.
It's so hard to move when I'm small.
You're cooked.
This is so unfair. LOL, you fell at the last jump.
I know, right? I want to rage quit so badly.
We have to go to the top.
Obviously, what do you think we should do? Drown?
I made it up. Haha, you lose. And I won, you suck.
Says the one who lost earlier.
That was because someone was targeting me.
Stop being salty. This is easy.
I'm going to throw money to trick them into jumping off.
5 people basically died already. Just the 2 of us.
That was so fuck. Yeah, we won. Victory scream. Anyways, see you in the next one, bye.